Welcome to the installation guide for Fishbone Off-Road's rear bumper for Toyota's 2016-21 3rd Gen Tacoma. Step 1. Install blind spot monitoring sensors, if equipped, using a 4mm hex wrench and a 10mm wrench. Take note, these are side specific. Install them using the included M6 50mm bolts and M6 nylock nuts, aluminum spacers, and splash shields. Step 2. Install the rear backup sensors, if equipped, using a 3mm hex wrench. Ensure that they are snugged down. Step 3. Install your pod lights, factory license plate lights, and factory trailer connector. Install the frame brackets to the bumper with a 15mm wrench and a 13mm socket. Ensure they're lightly installed for final adjustments in later steps. You'll be using the 4 included M10 35mm flange head bolts and nuts. Step 4. Place the bumper on a truck with the help of a friend. Use the remaining M10 flange bolts to secure the bumper to the truck using a 13mm socket. Step 5. Adjust the bumper and verify tailgate clearance. Align and tighten the nuts to your desired fitment. Step 6. Reconnect the wiring and lighting and verify the sensor function. And you're done.